Hello. In our podcast, we often refer to low-code technology, but some of you might not be familiar with that term. So I decided to record this little video to explain you what low-code really means. Let me demonstrate it with a little example. All companies that have the ambition to grow and to be profitable must adapt to constantly changing markets and environments. The need for changes often comes from managers.
They want to change their business processes and their software, and they want it urgently.
And here is where the problem often occurs. Business systems like ERP, they are not very open to modifications. The implementation of changes is complicated. It takes time and definitely costs a lot of money, which blocks your organization from requesting for future changes, and managers become frustrated. But it doesn't have to be like this when you have low-code.
When your enterprise software is built as low-code applications, you can change it effectively. This is doable because you, as a customer, have right to application source codes, and you can modify it. These source codes are not hard-coded in programming languages like Java or C++. They are drawn like diagrams of business processes. People from the business can understand these drawings and, as a consequence, can understand the way the application works. Thanks to that, people from business departments, managers, can precisely point out where they require changes. And even people without deep programming skills can implement these changes and modify applications. And they can do that in minutes. But don't think this applies only to heavy systems that can be used in the offices on desktop computers. If you have tools like Novecura Flow, you can use local platform to create even mobile applications that can be run on the devices like this. Moreover, you can use it on barcode scanners that are handheld and can be useful in warehouses or in manufacturing zones. Your change is instantly available for your technicians or warehouse operators. They can immediately start using it in their work environments. Because the changes are implemented gradually, they don't even need to be trained. And thanks to the fact that applications are deeply integrated with ERP systems, the effects of changes are immediately visible in ERP systems for all the managers sitting at the office.
What I think makes managers happy. It's time to sum it up. In this short video, we changed one thing in a business system. Imagine how many changes like this you can implement every day. And imagine how much you can achieve if you have the entire year. This is a real continuous improvement. You can truly implement complex systems that perfectly reflect your complex real business processes, and you do that without implementing them at once in a revolution mode. And as a consequence, you can satisfy your managers and end users.